Today, we're uncovering 20 irresistible fat-burning snacks that are not only scrumptious but are your allies in weight management. Get ready to revolutionize your snack time with choices that are as delicious as they are beneficial for your health. Understanding fat burning. Essentially, fat burning is the process where your body converts fat into energy, aiding in weight loss and boosting overall health. This metabolic magic happens when we consume foods that encourage our bodies to shift from storing fat to using it as fuel. These foods, often high in fiber, protein, and healthy fats, not only kickstart your metabolism but also keep you fuller for longer, reducing overall calorie intake. Just a polite reminder that this video is for educational purposes only, and that you should always consult your doctor before utilizing any natural cures. Number 1. Almonds. Almonds are packed with monounsaturated fats. They're not just good for your heart, but also instrumental in weight management. Rich in vitamin E and magnesium, almonds elevate insulin sensitivity, making them a smart choice for those watching their blood sugar levels. Moreover, their high dietary fiber and protein content ensure you stay full longer, curbing unnecessary snacking. Intriguingly, research suggests that not all fat in almonds is absorbed by the body, making them a surprisingly weight loss-friendly option. Just a small handful can be a substantial, nutrient-rich addition to your daily diet. Number 2. Greek yogurt. This creamy delight is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a champion for weight loss. It's brimming with protein, which aids in muscle repair and keeps you satiated longer, reducing the urge for unnecessary nibbling. The probiotics in Greek yogurt are fantastic for digestive health, enhancing nutrient absorption. Rich in calcium and vitamin B12, it's a nutritional jackpot. Opt for plain Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars, and consider pairing it with fruit or a drizzle of honey for an extra flavor kick without compromising its fat-burning properties. Number 3. Avocado. Avocados are not just for guacamole, they're a nutritional gem, especially when it comes to fat burning. Loaded with monounsaturated fats, avocados help in lowering bad LDL cholesterol, enhancing your cardiovascular health. They're rich in dietary fiber, aiding in digestion and keeping you full, thus playing a significant role in calorie control. This creamy fruit is also packed with potassium and folate, essential for cell regeneration. Including avocados in your diet is not just about indulging in their buttery taste, it's about making a strategic choice for improved taste and effective fat tissue metabolism. Number 4. Green tea. Green tea is a metabolic marvel. Deeply rooted in Eastern traditions, it's lauded in the health community for its numerous benefits. Green tea is packed with catechins, antioxidants that not only enhance your metabolism but also promote fat oxidation. Studies have shown that regular consumption can significantly reduce visceral fat. It also contains caffeine, a natural stimulant that boosts energy levels and physical activity. Green tea has anti-inflammatory, vascular, and lipid metabolic effects, making it a great weight reduction and health improvement option. Number 5. Blueberries, raspberries. Berries, like blueberries and raspberries, are not just delightful to your palate, but also formidable allies in your weight loss journey. These little fruits pack a nutritional punch with their high vitamin, mineral, and fiber content, making them an incredibly calorie-efficient snack. The fiber in berries extends satiety, naturally reducing your calorie intake. They're also loaded with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which may inhibit lipid oxidation and the formation of fat cells. Number 6. Chia seeds. Chia seeds may be small, but their impact on your health and weight management is enormous. These tiny seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, rich in fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. Their magic lies in their ability to absorb water and expand, which can keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods, thereby reducing overall calorie intake. The omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid or ALA, play a crucial role in preventing the buildup of body fats. Number 7. Grapefruit. Loaded with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, a grapefruit naturally modulates appetite and aids in metabolic processes. Its components, like naringenin, are known to potentially reduce calorie absorption and improve glycemic control. Not to mention, its high water content not only hydrates but also contributes to a feeling of fullness, helping to curb overeating. Incorporating a fresh slice of grapefruit into your diet can increase metabolic vigor, blending delicious taste with health benefits. Number 8. Eggs. Eggs are packed with high-quality proteins and essential amino acids. They're key players in maintaining muscle mass and boosting metabolism. Consuming eggs, particularly in the morning, has been linked to prolonged satiety, which can help reduce overall calorie intake throughout the day. They're also rich in nutrients like choline, which aids in lipid metabolism. The incorporation of eggs into your diet is a strategic move towards keeping you full and satisfied. If you find this content beneficial, kindly like, subscribe, and enable notifications for ongoing nutrition updates, and I'll put some links down below in the video description. Coming back now to number 9, spinach. Spinach, the leafy green superstar, isn't just for strength like the famous Sailor Man showed us, it's a crucial player in your fat-burning diet. This nutrient-dense grain is packed with vitamins and minerals like iron, calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which are vital for energy production and muscle function. Spinach contains thylakoids, known to suppress hunger and promote satiety, aiding in weight management. Its dietary fiber supports digestive health, while an array of antioxidants combats oxidative stress. Number 10. Cinnamon. This delightful spice is renowned not only for its aroma, but also for its profound health benefits. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants that significantly reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. Its impact on insulin sensitivity is a boon for those looking to regulate blood sugar levels. Cinnamaldehyde, a compound in cinnamon, may even stimulate lipid catabolism. Sprinkling cinnamon on your meals not only elevates the taste, but also enhances your metabolic health, making it a smart and tasty addition to a weight loss diet. Number 11. Coconut oil. What sets coconut oil apart are its medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, which are metabolized differently than other fats. MCTs in coconut oil can boost calorie expenditure and reduce hunger, making it a valuable tool for weight management. While it's high in calories, its unique fatty acid composition can enhance metabolic health when used in moderation. Number 12. Dark chocolate, 70% or higher. Indulge in the rich, bold flavors of dark chocolate, especially those with 70% or higher cocoa content. Dark chocolate is not only a sensory delight, but also a healthful choice. It's rich in flavonoids, which support cardiovascular health and mental sharpness. Plus, its bioactive compounds can enhance metabolic pathways, promoting fat tissue breakdown. The caffeine content may even slightly increase your basal metabolic rate. Enjoying dark chocolate in moderation can be a guilt-free addition to a weight maintenance diet. Number 13. Salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. It's known for reducing inflammation and aiding in the decrease of adipose tissue, crucial for those focusing on fat loss. Salmon is also loaded with high-quality protein, essential for muscle building and repair. Its treasure trove of B vitamins support metabolic health and energy production. Number 14. Cottage cheese. This humble dairy product is incredibly rich in protein, especially casein, a slow-digesting protein that makes it perfect for staving off hunger, particularly in the evening. Cottage cheese is also a good source of calcium, playing a role in complex lipid metabolic pathways and muscle function. With its low carbohydrate content, it minimizes insulin spikes, making it an ideal choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight while ensuring muscle integrity and prolonged satiety. Number 15. Quinoa. Quinoa, a true gem from South America, is revolutionizing healthy eating globally. This pseudo-grain stands out with its complete protein profile, boasting all 9 essential amino acids, a rarity in plant-based proteins. Quinoa has a low glycemic index, ensuring a balanced release of carbohydrates for sustained energy and controlled appetite. Rich in fiber, magnesium, and iron, quinoa aids in gastrointestinal regularity and oxygen transport in the blood. Number 16. Kale. Kale, a leafy green superstar, is a nutrient powerhouse that's taken the health world by storm. Packed with vitamins A, C, and K, and is rich in calcium and magnesium, vital for bone health and muscle function. It's high in fiber, which aids in digestion and cardiovascular health. This low-calorie, nutrient-dense vegetable is a perfect addition to any diet, helping to balance weight and promote overall well-being. Whether in smoothies or as kale chips, it's a versatile choice for a healthy lifestyle. Number 17. Lentils and pulses. Lentils, the unsung heroes of the plant-based diet, are much more than just vegetarian staples. These nutrient-rich powerhouses are loaded with plant-based protein, making them an ideal choice for those looking to diversify their protein sources. Their high fiber content not only promotes fullness and digestive comfort, but also aids in glycemic control. Rich in B vitamins and essential minerals like iron and magnesium, lentils align metabolic pathways, optimizing overall health. Their ability to support cardiovascular health and potentially reduce the risk of chronic diseases showcases their significant role in a balanced, health-focused diet. Number 18. Turmeric, curcuma. Turmeric, often known as curcuma, isn't just a staple in your spice rack, it's a potent ally in your health regimen. This vibrant spice's main bioactive compound, curcumin, is a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Regular consumption of turmeric can significantly reduce the risk of chronic diseases by combating cellular inflammation. Additionally, curcumin has been shown to boost levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, enhancing brain function and cognitive performance. Number 19. Apple cider vinegar, ACV. Its key component, acetic acid, plays a pivotal role in weight management. ACV is known to maintain stable, postprandial glycemic levels, crucial for blood sugar regulation. Consuming ACV can enhance feelings of fullness, leading to a natural reduction in calorie intake, thus promoting weight loss. Empirical research underscores its potential in decreasing subcutaneous fat and improving cardiovascular health. Adding a splash of ACV to your salad dressing isn't just about flavor, it's a simple yet effective step towards better health. Number 20. Red peppers. Red peppers contain capsaicin, a compound that's not only responsible for their heat, but also for boosting your metabolism. Consuming capsaicin can lead to a temporary increase in metabolic rate, enhancing calorie burn after a meal. Additionally, it affects appetite regulation, increasing feelings of fullness and potentially reducing overall calorie intake. Nutritional caution. While these fat-burning foods offer numerous health benefits, it's crucial to remember that moderation is key. Overconsumption of even the healthiest foods can lead to digestive distress, nutritional imbalances, or allergic reactions. For instance, excessive green tea intake might impede iron absorption, while too many red peppers could cause stomach upset. It's important to listen to your body and observe how it reacts to new dietary additions. If you are as passionate about nutrition and its benefits as I am, don't miss out. Tap the screen here to embark on a journey through the world of nutrition and discover how it can enhance your health and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey to fat-burning snacks. Embrace health, celebrate life.